Welcome to this video, Parallel Period for KPIs. So Parallel Period returns a table that contains a column of dates that represents a parallel period to the dates in the specified dates column. It returns a table that contains a column of dates that represents a parallel period to the dates in the specified dates column in the current context with the dates shifted a number of intervals either forward in time or back in time. So if it is back in time, you can use it as a target goal and you can use that as a KPI. So the syntax for it is parallel period dates, the number of intervals, how much you have to go back or go front, and then the interval, that is year, month, or quarter. So if you are giving that parallel period in the current context, like calculating the sum of sales, and you can give the parallel period date and -1 in year, that means exactly 1 year behind. It will go and calculate the value and give it to us. So you can compare with the value, current value with the previous year's same period value using parallel period. With that, you can use a KPI also and compare to the previous month. In this chart, we have given it that this is the previous year's value and this line is showing the current year's value. So we have a data set of life science and we will see whether parallel period can be used in KPI. So we have a data set, we have a life science, the calendar table is there. We can use the purchase table where we can use the price column. We'll write a KPI. Before that, we will select a table for visualization to see how the contents is like. We can select the date table and we can just get the year because we are going to get the parallel year. So we have around 7 years right now here and we will check how it is performing in the years with respect to the years, and we will select the price, sum of the price. We can change this price name to current revenue. Now we will create the KPI for parallel period. Take a new measure. Since we are using it as a target goal, we can name it as target goal parallel period equals to calculate sum of purchase price. And now we are going to give the filter. The filter is parallel period. And then we need to give the calendar date. And the interval is previous years, and interval date is we are going to give as year. So this is a measure which we are going to get the parallel period of previous year. Now we will select the parallel period, target goal, parallel period to this year. And it is showing exactly correct because in 2016, the parallel period should be 2015. So it is showing. Now we can use a line and stacked column chart to represent the KPI, and we will get the date. We need only year, and then we will select the target goal. Target goal is the previous year, that is a parallel period, and we will use it as the column, and we will use line for the price, that is current revenue. And here also we can change the price name to current revenue. We can give the data label. So in this way, you can compare the parallel years revenue with the current revenue by using the KPI also. You can take the dots, and here we can give the target, that is a parallel period value as target value, and you can use to give the current price as value. And here we are getting the price using the entire price listed using this purge. Same way you can get the KPI chart, and you can give the target goal as the parallel period and the indicator as current period, current revenue, and give the trend axis as date, that is the year. So it will show the last month, last year. So we can create a slicer, and in slicer we can give the date, that is the year. And here, if you are giving 2018, it will be showing with respect to how much it is. So it was 3.8 was the target, and we achieved only 3.5. It is showing the target above the current one. So if you take the 2016, it will be proper because 2016 the target was just 40, and so like this way you can use the parallel period for showing the KPIs. Hope this will give insights for you. Have a nice day. Thank you.